Please note that the first time you open OneNote, you'll be asked if you want to sign in. That option would be used if we were saving to the cloud. However, for today's purposes, we are not, so you can close that window. When you open OneNote, a personal notebook is automatically created for you. You may want to take some time to explore it for some helpful pointers. We're going to get started by creating our own notebook. First, go to your File menu, up in the top left corner, pick New, and then determine where you are going to save your notebook and what you're going to name it. In our case, we'll select Computer, and we'll give the name to the notebook. Then you click Create Notebook. Now, little FYI to you, you may have different choices than I do. I have a OneDrive personal account, and I have other web locations. For now, we're going to stick with Computer. When you click or tap the Create button, it's automatically going to save your notebook to the same place on all computers, to your C drive, in Documents, in a folder called OneNote Notebooks. That's the standard, but you can elect to have it save in other places. As you see, this notebook is made up of lots of tabs. I have one that has sections for each of the classes I am taking this year. Now, I may have many notebooks. If I do, I just go over here to my drop down, and you'll see these are all of the notebooks that I currently have displayed on my bookshelf. I can collapse my bookshelf so only the name of the current notebook appears, or I can expand the bookshelf so all of the notebook titles appear. So I can tap the screen or click here, and this little button in the top right corner is a push pin, and that will show me all of the current notebooks that I have on my bookshelf, or I can push the push pin and it will only display the name of the bookshelf that I am currently looking at. You can also expand and collapse your ribbons just like you do with the bookshelf. So right now I have my draw ribbon that is displayed, and if I tap Home on my menu, there's my Home ribbon. And over here in the top right corner of right above the pages, you'll see that there is a little arrow, sort of a caret is what that's called. And if I tap that, it's going to collapse my ribbons and give me more working space. Some people would prefer to have the ribbons exposed all the time. In that case, just tap one of the menu items. It will expose your ribbons, and then that push pin appears again. You can tap it, and now as you work, your ribbons will stay expanded on your screen. One of the really nice things about OneNote is that you can type any place on the screen, so you are not limited to writing from top to bottom. Also, you may have noticed that there's no Save button in OneNote. That's because it automatically saves for you.